All is quiet so far, but this may not be the case later tonight. Radar right now showing a dry line off to our west. This is the boundary that will be responsible for helping to fire up those storms that could end up being severe and moving into our area. But right now, we just have low-lying clouds, a sign of all that moisture in the air. You notice that with high levels of humidity. Right now, Tulsa's at 73 despite not having much sunshine so far today. That may change a little bit into the afternoon. Gusty south winds have taken hold with gusts up to 30 miles per hour or even stronger, as you see there in Pawnee right now. This is a sign of a strong storm system nearby, and it will continue to draw in slightly warmer air for the afternoon. Right now, most of us are in the low 70s, all the way from McAllister to Coffeyville, 71 to 70 degrees there, respectively, 71 in Stigler and Muskogee as well. By mid-afternoon, we're reaching the upper 70s. A few folks in our westernmost zones might even hit the lower 80s, where more sunshine will be prevalent. Now, let's talk about the severe weather risk. This is going to be after dark tonight for areas, especially north and west of Tulsa. Going for a medium chance for some high and damaging wind gusts for a few spots. Also, hail may be a concern initially. There may even be some slow-moving storms training over the same area, so our northern counties may face a risk of flooding. The tornado threat's low, but it's not zero, and it's something we're watching out for, as there has been an upgrade to some of the severe risk from Tulsa northwestward. Here we are at 6 p.m. tonight. Notice we are just beyond the bounds of our viewing area, with storms forming in south central Kansas along I-35, somewhere in that vicinity. Jumping ahead to 9 o'clock, those storms are starting to enter our northwestern zones. This could be a first affecting our southeastern Kansas counties. This is where most likely severe weather may occur, into northern Osage County. These storms will gradually expand south and eastward by midnight, still likely just north of Tulsa, but these storms may still be packing a punch from Bartlesville up towards Coffeyville, extending into Osage County. Then we'll probably get a broader push of these storms southward towards the middle of the night, early tomorrow morning. Those storms could race into Tulsa as an early morning alarm clock for many of us. Storms may weaken a little bit, but they still have the potential to be severe through 5 or 6 in the morning. Then these storms will weaken, but then they may refire by Friday afternoon, especially in southeastern Oklahoma. So we'll have another window of opportunity for those storms as well. Taking a look at our severe weather risk tomorrow. Right now, we're highlighting southeast Oklahoma as the primary zone, but that risk does extend a little further to the north, depending on where that boundary ends up stalling out tomorrow. That'll be key for deciding and knowing if we're going to get severe weather and for where. Saturday's risk a bit more widespread and a little bit higher end, as we might have storms arriving by evening with large hail, damaging winds, and that threat continues into Sunday for much of the same area that afternoon. Those storms may be a bit less likely. The volatile environment could likely make them severe if they form. Even Monday, our easternmost zones may be at risk, but altogether, look at that higher risk of storm chances all the way through the weekend. We get a small break early next week, but overall, it is looking like we're going to end up with a stormy stretch of days with highs back in the 80s through the weekend, dropping off early to middle of next week.